Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Intermediate Algorithm Scripting series. The heading for the problem is sorted union. Write a function that takes two or more arrays and returns a new array of unique values in the order of original provided arrays. In other words, all the values present from all arrays should be included in their original order, but with no duplicates in the final array. The unique numbers should be sorted by their original order, but the final array should not be sorted in numerical order. For example, here we have three arrays and the order of numbers are same as given in here and here, with all the duplicate values removed. Okay, then we need to collect every value in one place, and let's declare new array to save every value here, and we will be returning this new array. Now arr.for each current element. Okay, and inside this we have current element dot for each, and just let's name it just elem for element, and for condition, if new arr dot index of element, if a number is present, then we will, if equal to -1 means if any number is not present, in that case push the element inside new array. Let's run the tests, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.